Hi, Dr. Dean Kane again. Thank you for visiting my personal office. I take great pride in it because of the number of hours of photo sculpture that I've created and many other nuances that are different. You can see that I've created everything in a 10 by 10 modular pattern, that it's got multiple dimensions. Each one is actually simplified, but as you'll see here, it first started as a very plain single picture of an individual where I started popping out the different aspects. Before long, I was using a Lichtenstein Warhol type art effect, 3 dimensions, and in fact started with something as simple, a photo of Erica, my daughter, and transferred it into a more artistic style on a canvas block. From there, it grew into a 3-dimensional piece which could easily be created into a vertical wall or your vertical personal scrapbook. Each one of these individual pieces has some memory for me in my personal history. The entire wall itself is easily created into 20 by 20 inch pieces, 5 by 5 inch pieces, and very easily can be recreated any way that you want by attaching a Velcro wall to the back end, putting Velcro on each of the pieces, and reconfiguring your own personal and unique vertical scrapbook. Enjoy. You can always commission me to do any one of these pieces.